Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
20 tips and home remedies to keep your hair healthy. Lush, thick hair is almost every girl's dream, but pollution and the constant use of styling tools and colorant damages the hair and make it weak, thin and dry. This can also cause the hair to break. Going for a hair spa treatment might seem like the only way to rejuvenate your hair, but there are some simple tips that can help you maintain your hair on the regular. Here is how you can make your hair thick and healthy. 20 effective tips for healthy hair. First, protect your hair. Always protect your hair from the sun, wind and rain. Exposure to excessive sun, heat, dirt and pollution adds to our already existing hair woes. These can lead to dirt buildup, drying out of hair and scalp, and increased susceptibility to infections on the scalp. Cover your hair with an umbrella or a hat. Second, deal carefully with wet hair. Wet hair is very fragile and breaks easily. When wet, the shaft and roots of your hair are more prone to sustaining damage. Don't be too harsh when shampooing as it may lead to breakage. Also, avoid brushing immediately after a shower. If you have to, use a shower cap instead. Third, regular conditioning. Use a moisturizing conditioner after every wash. Missing this step could be the reason your hair is frizzy. 4. Condition the right way. Conditioners are formulated to seal in the moisture content in the hair shaft. They are not meant for the scalp. Start conditioning about 2 inches away from your scalp. Too much conditioner on the scalp will only make it excessively oily. 5th. Use shampoo and conditioner from the same line. Choose a shampoo and conditioner from the same line as they have a similar formulation. These are made for a specific hair type and a specific purpose. It shows better results when you use a single line instead of 2 individual products. 6. Don't over-apply heat on hair. Avoid using heat on your hair. Heat strips the moisture content from your hair, making it dry and frizzy. When overused, it can also burn your hair. Use iron or curl straighteners only if necessary, and remember to use a hair protectant. 7. Avoid tight hair ties. Avoid using super tight hair ties. Instead, opt for scrunchies with cloth around them. Tight hair ties tend to pull your hair back real tight, which increases friction and can cause breakage. 8. Don't braid tightly during bedtime. When you go to bed at night, braid your hair loosely to avoid a frizzy mess. Leaving your hair open tends to create knots, which means you need to subject it to pulling and brushing in the morning. Overbrushing can lead to frizziness. 9. Choose satin pillow covers. Sleeping on satin pillow covers is known to reduce hair breakage due to friction. Cotton and other materials are quite rough in texture, due to which they also cause more friction against your hair. 10. Dry hair cautiously. Pat your hair dry. Do not rub vigorously with a towel. You might dry your hair faster, but the amount of hair that breaks and falls away also doubles up. 11. Oil the scalp frequently. Oil your hair as frequently as you can and use a gentle shampoo to get rid of the oil. Oiling the scalp is good for your hair, but do not overdo it as you will end up using more shampoo, which strips more of the scalp's natural oils no matter how mild it is. Oil massage is the oldest remedy for extra shiny and soft tresses. This is also the best home remedy for healthy hair. You can use olive oil, coconut oil or almond oil. Warm the oil slightly and massage your scalp thoroughly. Leave it on for an hour before washing your hair. You can also leave it on overnight for better conditioning. 12. Suitable hair mask. Use hair masks that are suitable for your hair. The hair needs vary as per your hair type and troubles. It is necessary that you use the right mask or it can aggravate your problem. 13. Avoid teasing your hair. Avoid teasing your hair. Even if it creates a lot of volume, it ruins the hair texture. 14. Cold water is good for hair. When washing your hair, prefer warm or cold water over hot water. Cold doesn't exactly mean freezing cold. You can use water at room temperature. Hot and warm water opens up the hair cuticles and pores on the epidermis. If the water is too hot, it can damage your hair. Use warm water for shampooing. After you have conditioned your hair, rinse it off with cold water. 15. Use clarifying shampoo once a month. Using a clarifying shampoo once every month is a good idea. This eliminates the trouble of product buildup, due to which the shampoo and conditioners tend to lose effectiveness. 16. Brush effectively. Brushing is a short way to increase the luster of your hair. It spreads the natural oils through the length of your hair. But don't overdo this. Do not use plastic brushes as they cause increased breakage. 17. Healthy eating. Diet affects our hair health. The healthier you are, the better your hair looks. Certain nutrients like vitamins, iron, and proteins are essential for hair growth and health. If you are unable to obtain enough from your diet, you need to consider supplements after consulting a doctor. A good diet for hair will also boost your confidence to stay healthy and smart. Your diet also affects the health of the hair. It is therefore important to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and high-protein foods to condition your hair naturally. 18. Don't use too many products. Avoid using too many products on your hair. While there are certain products you may need to use, like shampoo, conditioner, and serum, try and avoid bottled hair products as much as possible. 19. Avoid overuse of chemicals. Overuse of chemical shampoos and conditioners can leave the hair dull and dry. The chemicals, apart from doing no good to your hair, do no good to the environment. Hence, it is better to use products that are naturally obtained or herbal. 20. Combs and brushes. It is important to know what kind of combs and brushes are used to manage hair. High quality combs and brushes are suggestible over low quality products as they help massage and relax your scalp. If you have curly hair, a nylon bristle brush will help tame it. Ensure that the combs and brushes you use are clean and neat. Avoid sharing them as it increases the chances of transfer of dandruff and other skin infections. The basics are where it begins, but additional care is something we cannot skip. If those products on the shelf are no longer cutting it for you, it is time to move to more natural solutions. Solutions that you can cook up in your kitchens with little effort. Home remedies for healthy hair. Flaunting beautiful healthy hair does not necessarily mean using high-end hair care products or expensive haircut treatments at signature salons. There are some home remedies that can give you those healthy tresses. First, bananas. Bananas are simply great for healthy hair. As they are rich in potassium, they help in improving the elasticity and natural health of your hair. Mash a banana in a bowl and apply this to your hair, from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with a good shampoo. This treatment helps in treating damaged and dry hair. Second, eggs. Eggs are one of the best home remedies to get soft and silky hair. Egg yolk can improve hair growth. You can either massage your hair with the yolk directly. You can also make a mixture of 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 egg yolks, and 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Leave it on for 10 to 12 minutes and then wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo. Repeat once every week to condition your hair naturally. Third, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise can help deep condition your hair. Wet your hair and apply mayonnaise. Leave it on not for more than an hour. Rinse well and shampoo. Fourth, honey. Honey has emollient and humectant properties and conditions your hair. It is an excellent home remedy to repair damaged hair and prevent hair fall. Add 2 to 3 drops of honey to your shampoo or conditioner and use it to wash your hair. Fifth, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek has antifungal properties and skin soothing effects. Hence, it may help in soothing the scalp and reducing dandruff. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. The next morning, grind the seeds to make a smooth paste. Apply it all over your scalp and let it stand for half an hour. Wash your scalp thoroughly. 6th, beard treatment. Beard is often used to impart shine to hair. Wash your hair with little beard. You can also store beard in a spray bottle. Spray this lightly on shampooed, towel-dried hair to get instant shine. 7th, Amla. Amla can help you achieve stronger and healthier hair. Make a fine mixture of lemon juice and amla powder. Massage this gently from your hair roots to the tips and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then rinse well and shampoo. 8th, apple cider vinegar. This is another popular home remedy for shiny hair. Apply a mixture of apple cider vinegar and warm water to your tresses to give them incredible bounce. 9th, strawberries. These juicy berries are natural hair conditioners. Mix 8 mashed strawberries with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Massage this mixture into your hair and let it stay for a while. Wash off with a good shampoo and conditioner. Hair care for different hair types. For oily hair, first, cornstarch. Cornstarch make a great dry shampoo for oily hair. Sprinkle it onto your scalp. Let it sit for 10 minutes and brush it out. Second, Multani Mitti. Anecdotal evidence suggests that Fuller's Earth can cleanse the scalp, absorb excess oil and clear product buildup. Third, apple vinegar rinse. Mix half a cup of apple vinegar with half a bucket of water and use it as the final rinse for bouncy looking hair. Fourth, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can help in treating dandruff, reducing itchiness and improving greasiness. You can add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo and rinse your hair with it. Fifth, lemon rinse. Rinse your hair with the juice of a lemon mixed in a small cup of water. For dry hair, first, olive and honey. Mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil with a half cup of honey and apply it to your hair. Keep it on for an hour and then wash as usual. Both olive oil and honey moisturize your hair. Second, egg yolk, honey and yogurt. Mix the yolk of an egg with honey and yogurt for a protein-rich pack for your dry hair. Home remedies to get rid of dandruff and residue buildup. Lemon juice and olive oil. Lemon juice and olive oil mixture helps in eliminating dandruff and reduces itchy sensations on the scalp. Baking soda. Mix baking soda with water to make a paste. Massage it into the scalp and wash off with a mild shampoo to remove the buildup easily. Baking soda has antifungal properties. This can help in eliminating dandruff. Additional hair mask. First, fenugreek and yogurt. Apply a pack of soaked fenugreek with yogurt. Grind it the night before and use it in the next morning. Wash it off with a gentle shampoo. Don't forget to condition your hair. Second, honey and banana. A paste of honey and ripe banana makes your hair soft. Third, plain yogurt. A plain yogurt mask softens the hair and provides a glossy finish. Fourth, hibiscus. Mix hibiscus leaf paste or powder with water. It can aid hair growth. Fifth, henna. Henna is popularly used as a hair dye. It can also aid hair growth. A hair mask is not the only hair care product you can whip up at home. Shampoos, conditioners, and final rinses are quite simple to do so. So remember the tips mentioned in this video and try out the home remedies for your beautiful, thick, long, and lustrous hair. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.